This is the spindle wiring demonstration. Use the included 7mm nut driver to remove the nut and washer from the front spindle stud terminal. Install the spindle cable ring terminals onto the front stud terminals of the spindle. Arrange the wires from left to right as black, blue, and brown. Then tighten the washers and nuts in sequence. Put the spindle protective cover in place and tighten the screws. Tighten the waterproof connector. This is the NB4 control system wiring demonstration. Match the labels, easy to set up. A tool probe interface is also located next to the spindle. Turn on the control box power switch.